Yeah, it is.
Snoop Dogg
and Doc motherfucking Dre.
Nigga, can you feel this?
It's the D.O. double. You don't run up, you won't see no trouble.
If you caught up in these fucking streets.
Big ditto, push the big hit-o. You hopping and popping, how about you hop up off my biddles? Got dirt on my piddles, I broke a few diddles. It really don't matter, cause I'm only here to spit on and get on and shit on niggas. Do it to them, D.O. double, right on, nigga. I'm sagging it, bagging it, slinging dubs. You motherfuckers think the wash is all soap and suds. What's up, cuz? If you're trying to get a dub sack page, man, the hoes say D-Lo, you so crazy. Poppin' that shit don't faze, man. I need my chips and the dip is like gravy.
Now back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is expected and I'm feeling that demand. Los Angeles, broad day gunning. That ain't no earthquake, it's just Dre coming.
Blow your brains out, revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause, I gotta take you off here. Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause, I gotta take you off here.
Rollin' with the braids in my head, crimped out, way pimped out, oh yeah.
Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause,
get my shit washed.
Y'all knew me since '93, now let that weed burn. Back in this bitch, Class of Smith, it's the return of the super sperm. Game over, lose a turn. Takes a germ to kill a germ. One way y'all killers learn. Back with Chef Mama used to sell plates. We used to sell base. I learned to wipe my nose and wipe the prints off the shell case. Don't want no jail case. 3 to 9, standing at Hell's Gate. It's hot and the devil's my cellmate. The game's addictive, I can't stop. It's like I'm chasing that first tie. Like Betty Crocker baking that first pie. The beef we serving is stir fry. Swerving all through your urban hurting. Every gate and corner you're working, I'm the bottom line. The school of hard knocks turned into Columbine. And my set is throwing up dollar sign. Some get guap, some get pop. Me, I got a zip like a bubblegum cushion selling Chris Rock.
Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause, I gotta take you off here. Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause, I gotta take you off here.
Rollin' with the braids in my head, crimped out, way pimped out, oh yeah.
Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause,
get my shit washed.
And P-Right Jesus, what is he like? I picture him standing with diamonds on him. Little different from the way my mommy saw him. Practice your aiming, physical training in difficult terraining. Test your endurance, try to keep your stamina banging. Splitting Dutchies up, strap up. The army's a school, teaching smart ways to go. I'm thinking Gandhi was a fool, the chronic's a fool.
I'm serving these cluckers crime pays. I'm a lunatic by nature. Yeah, kidnap a family for this paper. Yeah, and if you make it through the day, bruh, then pray to God I ain't stank ya, bitch. I gotta sell a nickel bag.
Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause, I gotta take you off here. Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause, I gotta take you off here.
Rollin' with the braids in my head, crimped out, way pimped out, oh yeah.
Revolutionary warfare's all fair. Love and war for the cause,
get my shit washed.